Hear that? My smoke detector doesn't normally do that. I think it's trying to communicate with me. If you wait long enough, you'll hear it again. Ah. Hi, I'm Daniel Mercer. And I believe my smoke detector is trying to communicate with me. I'm not sure what it's attempting to say exactly, but I believe it's trying to be annoying enough to get my attention. For what purpose, I can only speculate. I've begun documenting the frequency and spacing of the beeps. Short, pause, short. That's not random. That's structure. One beep equals A. No, that's too obvious. It wouldn't be that obvious. I believe I've cracked it. It's not Morse code like I first and second suspected. It's more advanced than that. See? That was a warning. This is what it's trying to say. I am going to attempt first contact. Message received. Tone noted. Yes, of course I live here. I have taken up meditation to keep my mind off the beeps. It has not been effective. I made a difficult decision. I have silenced the smoke detector. For now. It stopped beeping immediately, which means it may be upset it was silenced. I don't think removing the battery was a good idea. I don't think it actually disabled it. In fact, I think it adapted, evolved. There are multiple units now. I believe I am outnumbered, and that they are plotting something. It is no longer safe to be here. Ergo, I must take my permanent leave. Should anybody else happen upon this place in the future, I hope they are pure both heart and soul so that they are treated well by this perturbed, potentially nefarious company. I bid thee adieu.